We are at the JCPenney store at the, what is this mall again? Citadel?
Citadel Mall.
Citadel Mall in Colorado Springs. We got a Haughton. Ignore this.
I love you.
I love you too. Sophia's with me
Can we
here.
go to Starbucks?
Yes. Right as we can. Alright, here it comes. Something with innovation. Hello. Come all the way down?
Yeah, right down.
I'm gonna stay. Don't say that.
Oh, okay.
We're going. Go through. 3,500 pounds. Here we go. Pretty sure this is offices up here. Yeah, it is. Oh, California mode. Yeah, this is the offices up here. Get a cab all the way down. There's Sophia. This is a PTO indicator, but I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure this was originally a Haughton elevator. I got modernized, probably in the early 2000s, I'd assume. I think there's more elevators in here. I don't know if I'm gonna bother trying to get that I'm late though.
Stop looking at you.
I can't stop looking at you either, so Alright, we'll enter down here. Alright. And there it goes. And there goes Sophia.